Hello everyone. Today we are going to do a short video on how to access Right Networks in your hosted QuickBooks file using remote desktop connection. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to Right Networks homepage and then click on the Support tab. Once you get there, click on System Requirements. Now, if you're on a Mac, you're going to have to download the remote desktop connection. Just scroll down and click on this little link here. It should take you to Microsoft's Office for Mac web page, and you're going to click the Download Now button. It's a free download, so you don't have to pay for it. Just download it, install it, and you should be good to go. Once you have that, here it is now. Sorry, my internet's pretty slow today for some reason. But you have the Download Now button. Just click that, install it, finish. Then you're going to want to install the printer driver for your local printer. In order to do that, you're going to want to log into uniprint.net. Click on Downloads, then click on Uniprint Client. And you'll see a couple options here, one's for Windows, one's for Mac, so depending on what you're using, click accordingly. And over here, just download the MSI file. I've already done this once, so I'll just go ahead and show you. I've got the setup icon here. You just double click on that once you download it. Next, finish. Get that out of the way, and then go ahead and proceed on to opening your remote desktop connection. So if you're on a Windows machine, just click on the Start button there, and then click on the search bar, type Remote Desktop. It should be up there at the top. Just click Enter, and it populates here. So basically, you're just going to want to type in right here asp.rightnetworks.com, and then below, now I don't know why this is there, but I don't want those credentials. There we go. Okay, so you don't really need any credentials there. You just need to have the asp.rightnetworks server name popped up right in there. Then you're going to go to local resources. Make sure your printer button is checked there. And then you go to More. And then open up the drives. Drop that down and select your C drive. That's going to allow you to save to your C drive while you're in your remote session. So click OK on that. And go back to your General tab and click Save As. Now you can just type anything you want for the shortcut. I'm just going to put Right Networks login RDP. Hit Enter. Should see it pop up right over here. And we'll just double click in that. So if you've got everything set up right, you got your username or your asp.rightnetworks.com in there, you'll get to put your username in here shortly and your password once the session initiates. And you'll see this important notice box. If you see that, that's a good thing. Just click OK. Okay, the username here for our demo, we'll put that in. And we'll put in our password that we have assigned. Make sure Right Networks is checked. Normally your options box will probably be not showing. That's a little slow right now, so it's lagging. But normally it will just have username and password. And then if you need to see this little options box, you just click on options. There we go. So you just want to get your username, password, click OK, and it's going to start to load into your hosted computer here. So very nice, very nice. Old school. Got the Windows load in WAV file going there, so that's good. And here's our QuickBooks file right there. You're just going to want to double click in that. That'll open up your QuickBooks file. But one last thing before we do that, we want to make sure that our Uniprint driver is installed correctly. If it did, you're going to see a little box there. If you see that, that's great. It means we're ready to go. And you're just going to double click in your QuickBooks file, and that should open that up. And you should be ready to go. And when you want to log out, you just go over there, you click Start, log out, log off, and you're back out of it. So pretty simple. Just a couple things you need to make sure you've got going. Make sure you got your RDP client or your remote connection client loaded up. If you're on a Windows machine, don't worry about it. It's already there. If you're on Mac, download it, install it, ready to go. And then make sure you got your driver. So that's about it, folks. And if you got any questions, find us on the web, www.evarsis.com. Thanks again.